Let me introduce the topic for our next seminar, the Imperceptible Aesthetic Restoration, a direct composite hands-on experience. The seminar will take place in Atlanta, Georgia. We will offer 2 sessions, the first one on Friday, April 26th, and the second on Saturday, April 27th. If I were to ask you how many fractured teeth you see each year in your practice, I know the majority of you would say at least 20. But I also would ask how many poorly performed class 4 or composite veneers walk into your office. The answer would be at least 50. For those 2 reasons, this seminar is very important for you, because after completing it, you will be able to help at least 70 patients the first year, not to mention the immediate satisfaction your patients will express and the potential for word-of-mouth marketing. The most important ones, selecting the correct composite resin system for highly aesthetic results. Learn an easy and clinically applicable shade selection process. Develop beautiful and anatomically correct restorations. And finish and polish your restorations for lifelike results. You will have a unique hands-on experience, dedicating 80% of the workshop time to practicing the steps. You will get one-on-one with me, ask any questions, get immediate feedback and step-by-step mentoring. And you will benefit from our small group learning. Join us in Atlanta, Georgia this April, a hands-on experience you don't want to miss.